So, what are we gonna do today?
Light bulb. Let's build an electric circuit.
What, really? How are we going to do that?
Well, we have a box full of them over there.
Okay. So, what electric circuit are we going to build?
Let me think about that one. Let's start with something simple. Let's build an electric light switch circuit.
Okay, so like, what do we need for that?
We need the baseboard.
Wait a minute. Like this?
Yeah, that will do.
That will do?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now we need a battery block.
Battery block. Batteries? Batteries? Okay, we need some stinking batteries.
A switch.
Switch coming up. There we go.
That's
What
good.
else? What?
We need a light because it's in the name of it.
Light.
Yeah.
Light bulb.
And we need some connectors.
Connectors. Connectors. We don't need no stinking connectors. Yeah, we do. Okay, we do.
Yeah, we need stinking connectors.
Okay. Alright, Luca. So we have our parts. So now what?
Well, we need to put the battery on it.
Battery.
Yeah, so let's just connect this button.
Like that?
Yeah, pretty steady.
Yes, it is. So we have like what? We have like 2 batteries here?
Yeah, 2 AAs. They
Okay.
both have like 400 watts in them.
Alright, so do we need a switch?
Yeah,
Okay.
coming right up.
You wanna put it there?
Yeah.
Or there? Okay. Maybe put it a bit closer.
Yeah, good idea.
Okay, what else?
We need also to put the light here.
Okay, the light. And so how do we connect this now?
Well, remember in the last episode we got connectors. So just put these connectors on. That one goes there. And
You wanna do it like that?
yeah.
Let's do it like this. Let's
Good
put
idea,
this
Dad.
here and then put connectors here.
Good idea.
Doesn't it like look like one of those electric circuits that you would see in the books? Like you see, you have a battery here and then you have a connection and then you have a component which is this light and then the circuits and then another component. It looks like a real circuit, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Alright. So now what?
Now we just do one thing.
Which?
And this one thing is to turn on the light bulb.
Okay, so we built this circuit. And I think for the first attempt it's pretty good.
Yeah, we've been pretty successful.
Alright, so I guess in our next episode we'll try and build something more interesting.
Obviously, because that doesn't look very interesting to me.
Okay.
All it really does is, that's what it does.
Okay, so for the next project I think we can build something with fan instead of a light.
Yeah, pretty good idea.
Okay guys, so join us next time.
And please subscribe and like.